Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the iBeLink BMS3 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 12.4 kilograms and gross weight about 13.85 kilograms. iBeLink BMKS Max supports the Blake 2B algorithm, allowing you to mine SC cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 19 TH/s. Its power consumption is 3100 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 18.5 TH/s, the power consumption is approximately 3100 watt, and the noise level is around 89 decibels. How to set up the miner for working normally: select the firmware tool in the official website after sales support, click on all, scroll down to find the search tool, click to download, unzip it. Open Dev Search tool, click Search Device to find the currently connected miner, copy the IP address, paste the IP address in the browser, enter the account and password to enter the miner's backend. Enter the miner settings, fill in the mining address, miner name, and save. How to get the mining address: open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is SC, find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on an SC price of $0.0044 and a mining difficulty of 22.92 EH on July 10, 2024, the daily earnings of the iBeLink BMS3 19T miner are approximately $9.07. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: iBeLink BMS3 19T miner is currently the largest machine in terms of arithmetic power for mining SC coins, and the power consumption ratio is also the lowest, only 163 watt per TH, which is also the highest return among the current SC mining machines, and is suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.